Okay, hi. Yeah, this is a tutorial on how to create a new faculty on the exams and record system. Now, let me just quickly point these out. Let's look at how the data relates. I'm going to draw something here. We need to understand the data structure. Now, we need to understand that everything starts from school. So let's draw that. That's school. Then under each school, we have the faculty. Now under each faculty we have the departments, and under each department we have departmental semesters, like we have first semester, second semester for year 1, then third semester, fourth semester for year 2, though it's called first semester, second semester, year 2, but in serial order is actually third semester, fourth semester, and then you continue like that. Then under each semester you have the courses. So we have courses under each semester. So if you're going to set up, you need to set up everything in this order. Now the school we're using, we have just one school. That's like the center. Now we're going to create faculty under that school now, and then after that create the department that is under that faculty. Each faculty could contain more than one department. For example, we could have sciences faculty. Under that we could have computer science, we could have mathematics, we could have geology, like that. Then each department has its own set of semesters. So if it's a university, a 4 years course is going to be 8 semesters. So that is going to be defined under the faculty by the number of years, and under the school we specify how many semesters per year. Okay, so let's jump right in. Okay, the first thing we'll go to the under setup, we'll go to school program. Now we already have the school. Now the aim now is to add a new faculty. Now we have the school setting, which are just some other extra settings. We don't need to touch this. We already have schools set up before, which is just one. Then we have the set session semester. This is a mapping of how each year flows into semesters. So like if you look at this now, we have year 1 first semester, year 1 second semester for 2019-20 sets. Their admission session is 2019-20. So their year 1 first semester, year 1 second semester has to be the same with the set. The session has to be the same with the set for the year 1. Then year 2, it should start progressing 1 year after the other till the graduation year. Similarly, if you look at this, we have 2018 here. You will notice that the starting session for year 1 coincides with 2018 session as well. So that's how it goes. And you progress 1 year after the other to the end. Okay, so we go to the faculty tab. We have 4 faculties already. Now we want to join another faculty. Okay, so I have the record here. I'm going to be working from this information that have been presented here. So our new faculty is going to be College of Medicine and Health Sciences. So we have that. Okay, so it's already created before, so we don't need to do that again. So let me just remove that. Okay, so we can clear out any edit we've done by clicking this cancel edit. That will return things to how it was before. Okay, great. College of Medicine and Health Sciences has been added before, but if it's not, you just need to type it in, then put the duration in years. In this case, this program is 6 years, and then you give it a code. So this is a pretty good code. Then how do you calculate the grade, the CGPA? What's the weight of each year? Is averaging. Is it averaging, or you have specific weight per year, but usually it's always averaged? Okay, great, that is done. Now after that, we need to proceed to setting up the department under the new faculty. So to set up the department, we'll click that button. It's the one that coincides with department. This are the year maps. We don't need to do that, so let's just go to the department, click on that, and we have the department. Now what are the departments we've been presented with? Okay, so it appears that some departments have been set up here. We have the first one I have on this list is Department of Medicine and Surgery, which coincides with what we have here, Medicine and Surgery. I hope that is correct. Then we have the code. Just coin out the code as you want. Then the next thing is to generate the semesters. So what this will do is to pick up the number of years you have there and the number of semesters per year. That determines the total number of semesters a student is going to go through in passing through this course. So from here we could see that we have 12 semesters, and it's been auto-generated, which could always be done by clicking that auto-generate semesters. Now this has been done before by someone. Okay, that looks great. And as it's doing that, all these labels are also automatically generated. So the only thing you just need to do is to specify the number of credit units. So what's the maximum allowable credit unit per semester, and what's the minimum? Okay, so that looks good so far. The next thing is to jump right into each semester and set up the courses, which we're gonna do very soon. Now I'm seeing that we have about 5 departments under this College of Medicine and Health Sciences. Let's see what those departments are. Okay, we have human anatomy, we have human physiology, nursing and science. Okay, that looks good. So if there are enough information to be placed under them, they're okay. However, the information I'm presented with here is limited to just medicine and surgery. And that's what we're going to use in this training. Okay, so let's look at the instructions again. We have Department of Medicine and Surgery, which has been set up, medicine and surgery. Then courses offered at different levels in MBA program of medicine and surgery. Now year 1, 100 level, first semester. Then we have all the courses outlined properly. Great. So let's see how we'll enter that. So in order to do that, first semester, year 1, we're going to click that button for courses, and it's going to show us the courses under that year. So as it is now, we have 0 record of 0. So there's a good reason to start adding stuff. Okay, so the first one we add, we can either use this to add, or if you're saving and adding at the same time, great. So any one of the two is great. So I'm going to click add and pick the course title. We have that. Then the course code, math 111 here, math 111. Then the pass mark is usually, I think, is going to be 50. If it's not, you can still modify. If it's a major course, great. Then the credit unit from what we have here is 3. Then yeah, it must be passed. No, exclude from GPA calculation. No, it's part of GPA calculation, I'm hoping. Then the course part is going to be 100% full mark. So that means you're going to be entering